How to use Canva to create product images for Shopify app. To create product images for your Shopify store using Canva on mobile, start by opening the Canva app and tapping the plus icon to create a new design. Choose custom size and set it to 1000 by 1000 pixels, which works well for most Shopify product images. Upload your product photo from your phone's gallery or take one using your camera. Once it's added, you can customize the image using Canva's editing tools. You can also use Canva templates for a more polished layout. When you're satisfied with the result, tap the download icon to save the image to your device. Then open the Shopify mobile app, go to the product you want to update, and upload the new image in the media section. This simple workflow lets you create clean, high-quality product images right from your phone, helping your store look more professional and visually consistent. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.